Yeah, man, big up yourself, bad bro. What? Fire. Back off, man.
Very disrespectful. Shut your mouth. Nobody say nothing. Mommy said not trust you, money people. On the food on the fry. If you got it, on the look like that. Food for the charity. Mad me, I'm mad on the bump or blood clot. My granny would have said, on the piece of whole fire. Glad though me no friendly. People bad mind and full of envy. That tree, charge like battery. That bricks big house and family. 6 bars and a back.
Shadow. Hold it up. Yeah. Work. I'm going to go back. You ready that to the corner? Yeah? Yes, man. Yo, you know, the 19 just a blood clot. Terrible. What? Man?